Hello traders, hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to this video. So in today's video, I will be breaking down BTC USD for you guys. I will be analyzing the markets for you guys so that you know how to, right? So without much further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So welcome again. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what was happening in the market, right? So lately we could see that price was really bouncing high, creating new highs, new lows, breaking highs. You understand? Yeah. So quite for some quite time, BTC has been very bullish, right? And we could see what price is actually created. Yeah, you could see what price is actually created. So in this order, I'll try and break down some few things and then see what we should expect in the market in order to see the future of BTC, right? So um I would like to first of all identify the highs and lows in order to see the market structure, right? So let me start identifying the highs and the lows. Okay, so this was the lower low that price eventually the last lower low that price created, and this over here was it will be a lower high, right? Lower high, lower high until price broke it, giving the new one a opportunity to turn into a higher high, right? So we could give this to, we could say this was a lower higher high, higher high, giving us higher low, right? Continuously giving us a high, creating a low for us right now. So what do you think price is actually telling us? It's some kind of weird, because if it was to be, if I should use SMC now, this right here, right, this break over here, this break, we could see this was its demand zone, right? This was its demand zone, and what did price do? Price broke, price swept, taking out the liquidity resting over here, right? Price took out the liquidity, the stop loss that was here. It took them, and then price eventually continue its uptrend. So this got me thinking. So if this was price, this is what price has done, then which means boost for that one would say, okay, now price has changed its character, right? Giving us, creating, making this a change of character. But then the candle wick, the candle wick, that is what is showing up here. So telling us that this might not be this might not be a legit change of character, right? This right here is a liquidity sweep, liquidity grab or whatever. That price, after price grabbing, taking out stop losses, it started moving up, right? So this is a very kind of complicated thing, right? I've been sitting on this for some time now, making me even miss out some trades that I was supposed to take yesterday, right? It was on Sunday, so I missed was it on Monday morning? Yeah. I missed this setup that I was supposed to take, right? So let's continue, guys. So in this case, for me, what I'm seeing here is price has still not broken. Yeah, it has not given per my experience, per what I see over here. Price is still up uptrend, right? So let's start to identify some. So over here, the the bearish that price created, this was it. So let me start by this was a change of character. Price came back, respected it, giving us a continued trend break of structure, another continued trend break of structure, right? And now price finally broke, right? So giving us a change of character. You see, so meaning price still has the opportunity to break this high over here, right? Price still has that gut to break this high, right? So just this was what I wanted to update you guys, right? This was what I wanted to update you guys on. So seeing with where do you think price can reverse from, right? Around this side in the market for you guys. Price can reverse here. So we can see over here price is trying to give us some pullback here. So this was this is what price can do, create something like this and then break this high, right? Yeah, so this is what price could do, right? This is what price could do. So without wasting much of your time, this is what me personally I'm expecting from price, right? This is what I'm expecting from price. So I'll be waiting, or I'll see whether I can take some trade, wait for price to drop, giving me some kind of variation, right? Then let me switch to the price action parts. Yeah, so this is my price action chart. So in this order, if I should come back to price action, drawing trend, giving it a trend line. Let me give it a trend line. Yeah. So expecting price drop, testing this, respecting this trend line, and then bouncing off this trend line, right? And if I should go lower to the time frame, 50 minutes time frame, what am I expecting in the 50 minutes time frame when using price action? Okay, so I just need to draw a trend line, right? Because I don't want to stare and do nothing, right? I just want to make some little bit profits from the buy side and from the sell side. So just wait for price to break this trend line and then um pull a little bit up here, and then we expect some sell, then I'll sell here, I'll sell, then I'll target this side, right? This um somewhere here, right? It will be cool. So this was the resistance, so I'll be targeting somewhere here, the support zone over here, right? This is what I will be targeting. And so wait for price to break, and then we sell. I sell all the way to this side, and from this side I wait for a candle, a trend break, right? I wait for a trend break and then continue it by original buy trend, right? So that's what I'm actually waiting for now. That's what I'm actually waiting for. And yeah, that's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin, right? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it to your friends, fellow traders, right? And stay tuned for more contents like this. And remember, I will be updating you guys whenever I see any changes. I will update you guys. So stay tuned, stay profitable. Bye for now.